had a little walk up the road, and we went into a shop, and it was like something out of Deliverance, wasn't it?
So it was a garage, but with extras.
No, I'm talking about the gift shop up the road.
Oh, the gift shop.
Yeah.
Oh.
God, what a place! This it looks more like a junk shop.
Yeah, it's
Weird.
dated and a bit tatty.
Yeah. Now the garage just up the road there. You're not
No.
just up the road there.
It's
They've got everything, haven't they?
Yeah.
Nuts and bolts.
Gloves, suits,
Everything.
Ivys.
Everything. Brilliant. You can even buy a snowmobile. How much was a snowmobile?
20 euros, 500.
Yes.
So a lot of money.
But it was a beast.
So what I mean is 20,000 euros, 500. I forgot the thousand.
Yeah, it was a beast, wasn't it?
It was a beast.
Yeah, it was a proper beasty thing.
So busy thinking of the price.
Yeah, but it was really nice.
It was huge.
Yeah, it was massive.
Oh, it sounds like.
It was like half a car, wasn't it? But it got top boxes and all sorts of. I mean, even with the person on the passenger seat, it got heated grips.
Yes.
Hadn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, that was pretty.
Yeah, heated pool warmers.
Yeah, heated pool warm. It was pretty good. Flipping out, let's open your eyes again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
It's a bit of a game trying to keep warm enough, but still being comfortable. Oh, there's one. One snowmobile. Which we'll be doing snowmobiles on Wednesday.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So hopefully we're going to have a bit of a play on one of those, and if we're lucky, Susie can do a bit of recording.
I will try. I should be the pillion person.
Yeah. Well, you can just stick this over my head. Can't you? Like that. Up over my head.
I will see what I can manage.
Yeah. Well, the battery's not gone so flat this morning, which it did last night. It went really quick, didn't it?
It did. Wow.
And it was charged up. It wasn't like it wasn't charged up. It was just so cold that it went so quick. The sun's beautiful.
You just turn it round a minute.
Yeah.
You can see how bright it is, which is why I'm squinting, because I forgot my sunglasses.
Yeah, absolutely. Top drawer. Ooh, nearly fell over.
Yeah. Do you want me to take that?
No, it's all right. I'll just come around this side.
Why? Because I'm on the slippery side then?
No. It's just easier.
Everybody wants to see where we're going and what we're doing. So.
Do they?
I think so.
Do you?
I think we could do with turning you around so you can see where we're heading to, and then I think we might have to stop filming before the battery dies.
Well, we've still got plenty left on the battery, believe it or not.
Okay.
Yeah. Look, shiny sun thing.
Yeah. But nothing's...
We pretty much did most of this on the way up, didn't we?
Yeah, nothing's going to defrost anytime soon.
No.
But there's a lake just over the way, and apparently the ice is 1 metre thick, and that's part of the snowshoe experience.
So we're going to go walk across the lake?
Yes.
Not today though, are we?
Thursday morning.
Thursday morning.
Today's Monday.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's it for today, I think, aren't you?
Yes. Well, we're doing huskies in a bit, aren't we?
Yes. Oh yeah, we're going to do the huskies. So we'll
save the battery.
We'll save the battery for that. So we'll see you in a bit.
Okay. Bye.